Good morning, classmates. Are you the grade R classmates here for numeracy? Welcome. And remember, when our song starts, remember to dance along and count with your fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Will you do that? Here we go.
2, 3, 4, 5,
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And backwards. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Are you ready? 1 and listen to our class. Dance with. And count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Welcome back, grade R children. Welcome to the grade R numeracy class. And as always, big shout out to the adults that's joining us. You are so valuable. Give your mom and dad, uncle, aunt, granny, granddad, brother, sister, big round of applause. And up, and down, and rise, and lift. So today you are in for a treat. We are going to learn a new number. What have we done up to now? Let's take a sneak peek back at the numbers that you already know so well. We know number 1. Draw it in the air with me. 1. You know how to write number 2, do you? Write a big 2 in the air. Next, after number 2, tell your mom what comes next. 3. Let's write it in the air. 3. So what's after 3? Well, that is what our lesson is about. It's about number 4. So come and join me and have fun in my autumn class. Have you noticed that the leaves are falling off the tree? When you walk on them, they go and they tickle your toes. Try it later. Go and feel how they tickle your toes when you walk on them and how they make that sound. Why is that? Let me show you. It is because in summer, when it's hot and the sun is shining, and you don't have to put so many clothes on and jackets and jerseys. The leaves are green. You feel they don't make any noise. As the seasons change, what happens? The leaves fall off the tree on the ground. So they change from a green to a light green. And from there on, they start turning almost a yellow color. Yellow and brown. And here you can hear, listen. They make a sound. Try it later. After the class, go outside and feel how the leaf feels when you break it in your hands. Then, when it's on the ground and it's off from the tree, it's not getting any nutrients, no food from the tree. Then it dries out and becomes completely brown. Look at that. Now you know why the leaves are turning a different color. They're changing their color. And in what season are we in when this happens? Tell your parents. What season are we in now? Autumn. That's correct. Whose birthday is in autumn? When is your birthday? Do you know the date? Write it down on a piece of paper. That brings us to what do we need in our class today? Parents, please help me and get the following. Number 1, a cup of water. Even half a cup of water is perfect. Next, remember last lesson, I asked you to do this. This was the homework for last lesson, to make 3 rectangles in the same color and then to divide it up into 3 pieces. Write the number, its name, and the amount of dots of the number. Do this for 1, 2, and 3. If you've missed the last lesson, quickly go and get a piece of paper. Make it 2 or 3 pieces of paper, crayons, and scissors. Go and get it quickly. We are waiting for you. While your mom and dad's getting that ready, do the following with me. Let's make our lazy 8 with our thumb. Thumb right in front of you. Keep your eyes on the nail. Keep your eyes on the thumb. Then we move up and around and crisscross. Are your eyes following? I can see you trying hard. Keep going, but now change your hands. Thumb out, feet a little bit apart, and up we go. Up. Keep your head still. Don't move your head. Show your parents how you are doing it. Adults, how does it look for you? Are they crossing that midline? If they are not, this is the exercise that I want you to do with them a few times a day. Good, so you've got what we need. You've got your paper. Now, give your child, let them sit down at a table or on the ground and ask them to cut this out. After they've cut the 3 rectangles out, cut on the lines as well. I'm going to do this with my picture now. I'll give you a few minutes to do the same. Let's do it together. So lovely to listen to our song while... Absolutely. Now I've cut out the pieces. Now I want you to mix it up. Mix it up. And put it to one side. Let's put it on the table or next to you on the ground. Where's that cup of water? I feel a bit thirsty. Let's drink a few sips of water. Let's do 4 sips of water together. Do you have your cup in your hand? Sip number 1. Sip number 2. What comes after 2? Sip number 3. What number comes after 3? The number of today's lesson, of course, number 4. Now we're ready to play a game. So with your cut out pieces like this, I want you to take the first piece. Show it to your mommy. Look at it. Show it. What number is this? Oh, it's written out. No, it is number 1. Your turn. Good. Next one. Let's take a next number. How many dots are on this piece? 1, 2. 2 dots on this piece. One last one. Look at it. I know you know this number. What number is this? Say its name. 3. Well done. So keep this because this is our number game that we're going to play. Bring it along to your class for next class as well. So now I want you to go and fetch 4 of your favorite toys. Not big toys that might fill the room if it's your bicycle. Your bicycle, that's fine, but get 4 toys and bring it into our class. I can't wait to see what is your toys. I have something special that I love. Let me go and get them. Go to your room, go and grab some toys. 4. Parents, let's see how many they bring back. Are they back yet? Not yet. Let's give them a few seconds. Kids, where are you? Bring the 4 toys. Bring it. We want to see what you brought. It's show and tell. Parents, count. How many toys did they bring into our classroom? Is it 4? Is it maybe 5? Or did they only manage to bring 3? Count the toys with them and tell them if they are short of 1. And send them back. Tell them to bring 1 more. Then we'll count it together. So I have 4 of my favorite toys as well. I love the following. Firstly is a scissor. I just love creating things and cutting out. But always be careful with a pair of scissors. Next is a pencil. I just love writing numbers, letters. I just enjoy writing and doing mathematics as well. But what do you need when it's not sharp enough? That's why my next favorite, 3rd favorite, is a sharpener. And this that I'm holding in my hand is a Rubik's Cube. Can you see all the different colors on it? That is my fourth favorite toy. What did you bring? Put it in the air? Show me. Show your parents as well. I can see a car. I can see a doll. Lovely. Even a puzzle. You please build puzzles. Now that we have some time, build a puzzle a day. One puzzle a day. Even if you build the same one over, do it. Then if you get tired of it, build it faster. It will help you a lot. This lesson is so much fun. But how do we write a number 4? That's now the thing is, I want you to be able to write the number 4. Take a look on your screen and you will see that you start on the yellow dot at the top. You move down and to the side, and then you make a little stripe down, a mini line at the bottom. That is number 4. Let's do it together in the air with your finger. Down and to the side, and that last line. Again. Join me. Follow with your eyes, always. Where your finger goes, your eyes follow. And what have you learned? Let's balance on one leg while we are doing our number 4. Again.